I'm out in nature, as you can see. I'm running. I'm also stopping at these stations that they have on the nature trails to do sit-ups, to do crunches, to work my arms by doing push-ups, etc. No excuses. Outdoors is the best, to me, it's the best way to get your body moving. Baby, look what we have here, aka Fupa Killer. Yes, this here works your lower abs. I am going to get on it so you can see how it's done. But if you're trying to target that Fupa pouch, this right here is what's going to help you. So you want to just slide up, and you want, so this here is working the upper body and your lower body. So you have to use your upper body to support yourself while are on this contraction, and you either can punch your knees into the chest and stay straight out, or you can go hard and just leg in. Woo! You can either walk very briskly or jog. Pace yourself, but we're timing ourselves for 1 minute. Let's go.